replacing the lower seal on a Master Company 35F inline unit. If you watched the first video, I told you about the two different types of seals, or two different sides of the seal, the rotary and the stationary. Nothing's changing on this end, except for the fact this time we're going to leave this cup on the seal. And I've already got one installed in here. It's the same process. It's the same process. You put your seal on, you lubricate it a little bit, you put it on there, and then you just push it back. Take your paper towel, put it in there, spin the shaft, clean it off. Here's your stationary seal face. It looks a little different. That's because it is. We'll have our shaft seal down on this side whenever we put the prop on, so it needs to be a little bit longer. So we'll clean the seal face off on this one. I've already done that. So we're going to do the exact same thing. And we're going to push this all the way back, push the seal in to compress it, and then we're going to find that point where it grips, and we're going to thread it on. Now if it starts to get tight, you can back it out and start adding a little bit of anti-seize, which I'm probably going to do for this one. But once you get it in there, it's going to leave a groove wide enough for a 134 O-ring. I will include this with this unit usually, because that's the first one that goes missing. So once you get it tight, you can put your spanel wrench on there. It has the same spanel wrench holes as the last one, and or you can put your channel locks on there and get a good grip and spin it. But since this one is not necessarily binding up, but it's getting a little tight, I'm going to remove this, put some anti-seize on there, and then redo it and tighten it down.